Hello everybody. Quick little lesson for you heading into the weekend. You're going to find this packet of problems online, so please find those, and you can go ahead and try these after you've watched this one example I'm going to do for you. So what we have here is we have tables of values, and these tables of values, from those, we want to be able to tell is a function linear, exponential, or quadratic. Okay? So what do we have to know? Well, we have to know what the shape of these graphs still are. So real quick, we should all know by now, hopefully, that a linear function, okay, this would be a linear function, L, or this would be a linear function, L. This would be a linear growth, with a G, and this would be a linear decay. We also call those increasing and decreasing. This one over here, and I'm not saying this is this table of values. The second type we have to talk about is quadratic, okay? And if it's a quadratic function, it could either look like this, which has a minimum, or it might look like this, where it has a maximum. Okay, notice those are two choices down here. And then the other type that we're talking about today is exponential. And an exponential could look like this. That's growth. Or an exponential might look like this. That is decay. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to plot these points on Desmos, connect them, and then see what kind of graph it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do the second one here. Okay? So I'm going to do this one here. So the thing I have to do is I have to go ahead and open up a table of values. So let me go ahead. I think I have those already here. Go. Okay. So I want to take my graph, and I want to create the table of values. So hopefully you remember how to do that. That is where you hit the plus sign, and then on that you're going to hit table. Boom, I get this. So now I'm going to enter in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from my x values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then in my y values, I'm going to enter in the v of x. V of x is like my y values. These are like my y values right here. So that's what I'm going to enter in. Okay? So I'm going to enter in 1, 2, 1, -2, and -7. So then I get these plotted points here. Now on these plotted points, I wish they were connected. To connect them, one of the ways to do it is to hit the little gear here, and then click on the blue, the color it is, and then go down here, oops, and say lines. That means you want to connect them. Once I connect them, I'm going to hit done. Let's look at this. This graph looks, if I kind of trace it, it looks like part of, I can't trace it, it looks like it's part of a what? Yeah, to me it looks like it's part of a quadratic that looks like this. It's part of it. It's going up, it stops, it has a maximum height, maximum y value, then it continues going back down. So there's no doubt in my mind that this particular one right here is a quadratic function with a local max. Okay? So what you're literally going to do, because this graph went like this. It went up, and then it came back down and it stopped. Okay? This is kind of what our graph just looked like that we did. So you're going to do that for all of the rest of these. Okay? On these bottom ones, you only have to do these bottom 6, and I've done one of them, so you have 5 left to do. I want you to sketch the graph that you see right here. Then I want you to tell me which of these you believe it is. That's all I have for you guys. Once you're done with that, have a great weekend. You also have an assignment online on ALEKS. Talk to you guys later. Bye.